I take a lot of pride when I do a pedicure. It doesn't matter what kind of feet you bring to me. It can be dirty, stinky, or smelly. I'll make sure to take care of that feet the right way because I know damn well on the other side of these feet, there's a toe sucker. Somebody is sucking on these toe, and I gotta make sure the toe is ready to be sucked on. Wouldn't it be messed up if I don't take care of this lady all right, and then she go home and then the man starts sucking on her toe, and he's gonna get all the nasty skin debris in his mouth? That's uncalled for, y'all. So what I did was I had to go in with the cuticle pusher, dig under her skin, but the main thing is the nippers, y'all. This nipper right here, I gotta go around the cuticles, but the main thing is I gotta clean under her toes, because the more I clean under her toes, and you see why her toes is white, is because it has a detachment. And when it has a detachment, it has a lot of gunk get under there, and these gunk dry up. So I gotta keep digging, and the more I dig, I see a big gap on her toe, and I gotta keep cutting it down, because the goal is to clean as much debris out as you can, y'all, because I feel for the toe sucker on the other side. I don't want nothing to get in his mouth. I don't want to ruin anything while they're making love, y'all. So after the toes is all nice and done, you can see it's looking better. I gotta scrub the bottom of her feet, because after the toe sucking, they gotta kiss the bottom of the feet, and you don't want to get cut by the callus on your lips and your face. And of course, you always gotta end with a massage, but hey, man, I try my best with these toes, y'all. It was a lot of work, but they're finger licking good now.